Hello,
Hello.
hello, Anandya ji. How are you?
Sir, I'm amazing. And how have you been, Sudhirji? It's been a while now, I think. It's almost a week.
No, 3 or 4 days maybe.
Is
Because
it?
yes, I have finished my clappingo session. That's why. Uh,
Okay. Okay. So you can say that my subscription got over.
yes,
My subscription got over. So you've renewed again.
right. Not renewed again. Because they are providing us only for a 5 class in within the week.
You can take 5 classes within a week.
Yes,
I mean, that is the subscription that you have chosen.
yes, yes,
Okay. Okay. So how is everything, Shuklaji?
yes. Everything is going very good, and
Very good.
just I have finished my task. So I have just joined your class, and
Thank you.
right now I'm just I'm seeing your class was very busy. Yesterday I tried to book the session, but all are the houseful.
Houseful. Okay. Okay. That was a nice term, houseful. Yeah. Yesterday, I mean, people who have been with me for a long time, like you, and there was a gentleman just before this call. He was also saying, "Kya, sir? Tomorrow, yesterday I couldn't get you, everything." And so tomorrow he has booked 2 sessions. A gap of half an hour. He said, "Sir, so that's nice. That is really nice."
So right now you are a celebrity. Your popularity will be going and going to increase.
Never ever. I just want to stay always in your heart and people like who loves
Oh,
you. That is what I want. And that is
good, good.
blessing. That is blessing. I never want to become a celebrity. Never ever. I'm already a celebrity, isn't it? When Sudhirji posted my video, I already became a celebrity, actually.
Yes, of course.
How is the work going on, Sudhirji?
For YouTube.
No, I'm saying your regular work. I mean, what you do.
Yes,
It's your
sir.
job.
My job is going good, and just we have finished our appraisal cycle, and
Okay.
so
You
because
mean you got your appraisals done? I mean, you were reviewed by your boss.
yes, of course,
So how did it go?
it was very good for the
Okay.
last year. For last year, for now today, improvement base also.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yes, of course,
So
because
what?
I'm giving my hard inputs. So
Very
definitely in Gita there was one quote: "You just doing your work and don't care about your
results,
means result. I will
outcome.
outcome. So I will watching everything. So don't worry, we will take care all those of things.
I will watching or I am watching.
I am watching
Yes, very good. I am watching. I'm watching from up there. So don't worry. I'll take care of everything. You just put in your hard work, right? That's what.
because I this line is very superior, and I will give you this line is in very means I can say in my life very higher side or very respectful, because when I got stuck and when I get something bad in my life or maybe in my market or anything in if maybe I mad and choose any wrong decision to buy bought any stock, so I will just nothing doing anything and nothing react. I will just hand it out. Okay, no problem. My friend, my God is take care this stock also.
Okay. So you have a
So
you have a strong faith in the
yes,
Almighty.
yes, of course.
Yeah.
Because in our life, our each and every activities there is some logic or there is some output.
Yeah.
So before his blessing, we can't do anything.
Correct. 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 So we say it's Almighty's grace. Am I correct?
Because I for today I have the zero knowledge. about the Indian stock market and about all these of stupid things, stupid or good things. I am just only for, I am sorry for using stupid, but just a normal thing. I am just a mediator. Okay, I am just a mediator. I am just trying to just uh, on the switch button. That's it. That's my work only. All the behind backend work, all the analysis, all the communication, all the logic, the gods will be provide me, and just I will do it. That's it.
So, sir, just a quick correction. What you wanted to say, perhaps, I think, correct me if this
Okay.
was what you meant, that I'm just a mediator.
Yes.
I'm a messenger of His Almighty. So, everything that is happening from the backdrop, I mean, the background work, the analysis, the choosing of picking up my stocks, any analytical data that is being done by the Almighty.
Yes, of course.
I'm just pressing on a switch or a button.
Yes, right.
Yeah, I can understand. You have a very strong, it seems you have a very strong faith in God.
Of course, because we don't know who are, because the truth, first of all, we need to believe in our system. Okay, if we are believing in something and then just believing one day, 2 day, third day, year on year day, so definitely the sometimes the things will be happen. The universe, whole universe, it will come and rearrange for you. So first we need to believe in ourselves also, because I just say one thing regarding in my one friend, he told me, we don't know who are our mother and father, right? We don't know, but just for childhood, father, in your relatives, they said, this is your father, this is your mother. So you are believing, right? You are don't asking to give your report, give your DNA, right? Have you never asked from your mother and father?
Hmm.
Sorry for asking, but just I'm he has asked me this question. So yes, of course I agree. I have never asked my mother and father, give me proof. Okay, they are just telling me. They are just told me, and I just believe. So that's it. So for the, if they are believing in God, so definitely I have to believe in God, and God. Maybe the there was some power like which power I couldn't remember.
Superpower.
Superpower, yes.
Yeah. So I'll ask you, I'll give you two options for two sentences.
Okay,
You have to choose the correct sentence.
okay.
Ready, sir?
Yes, of course. How much the reward I will get
Sir,
after the choices?
you get my valuable friendship.
Oh my God, my pleasure.
Okay, and very soon I'll be in Ahmedabad. So I will
Oh,
be. So we'll eat together and we'll chat together. That is the biggest.
sure, sure, sir, sure.
So Sudhirji, the options are uh, the first one. They are told me. Just hear me very carefully and answer. They have told me. So I'm
So
repeating it.
they have told me.
So so your sentence would be they have told me and I have blindly followed.
Right, right.
One thing which I have observed by speaking to you, can I share my feedback, sir?
Yes, of course, sure.
Yeah. That in the places where they have, you have, you generally replace the word are
Okay.
instead of have. So my question to you is this word are, it is very favorite word of yours?
No, no, no. Not favorite word, but just I am uh, hi- uh, doing some mistake. That's why, and using the present tenses.
It's okay. Mistakes can be always corrected. That's why we make mistakes, Riji, so that we become better every day, isn't it? I have made plenty of mistakes in my life. And what you see today is those collection of mistakes. And that's why
And
perhaps,
those collection of the mistake, it's called the experience.
yeah, yeah, absolutely. I
It's
had
not my
shared,
word. It's not my word. It's word by. Have you seen the Harshad Mehta web series? Though, so he's word by his. He's one of the member.
absolutely. That's a
Time jata nahi, time experience lata.
that's a wonderful. I saw that. I saw that movie. I saw that movie. Yeah. Okay. Did you see the document topic? We don't talk about topics, but did you
Yes,
have you
of course. I go through the topic. This is the regarding of married life,
weddings? Yeah, weddings. So I
weddings.
have I have a question.
Yes, of
Do,
course.
a very naughty question, of course.
Yes.
Do you wish to get married again?
No, I don't like to married again because
Don't like to get married again, or I don't like to marry again. Okay.
no, sorry, I don't like to marry again because I think the God definitely blessed me lots of the things. I have two kids and one wonderful, beautiful wife.
Oh, lovely, lovely.
So
I
so
so
I
next time, if show this recording to Madam Bhabiji, and she will be so proud of you.
yes, of course, you definitely proud of me
I'm sure she
because
is. Yeah.
yes, of course.
And do you believe in those gorgeous, fat, luxurious weddings? Have you been there, Sudhirji, ever in your life? I mean, any sort
It's
of a
it's depend to person who can afford this type of luxurious
have
because
you been
in
invited in any such wedding, luxurious wedding? I
yes,
mean,
of course, just like yes, of course, I attend this type of wedding.
you have attended, right?
Yeah, I have attended,
Okay, okay.
but I think so. Maybe this is a controversial. Uh, in our culture, in our country, there is a lot of the burden of the father of the girl.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so if if I can afford the lots of the money and this type of luxurious, so I have to just uh, in just create one samohik. I can say samohik means
Temporary.
not temporary, but I'm trying to say samohik means समूह means एक साथ बहुत सारे जोड़ों का विवाह I can
Okay.
say
Okay. Okay. Oh, that way. That way.
that way.
Some,
So that when because the lots of the fathers they reduce
you're
we
talking
can
about,
reduce
yeah, you're talking about group marriages.
yes.
They're
So
known as group.
we okay. So we can reduce their burden also.
Oh, okay. Good thought. Good thought. Okay. Uh, many people, they love attending weddings for food.
And of course, they are attending the foods, but they are for they forget to complete their dish also. Eating complete their eating they are just bringing all those items and maybe I'm not blaming anyone but maybe so few are the people because I have attended lots of the
Right.
weddings so I
Yes,
found the uh, so waste of the food it's very
absolutely.
embarrassing for me also
You
because
don't
it
like.
is not because it is not responsibility for that person also but it is responsibility for me also because if if I'm watching anyone and he is just doing this type of stupid things, so I have to stop them.
Yeah.
And few times I have stopped them, and some and sometimes I got the reverse back, a bounce back. Uh, it is your family. It is your family function. You are stopping me. So I'm not. I just give my point. Not this is not my family function, but first you to learn the what is the family. Okay, for normal people, their family just only for mother, wife, and us. And for the just a social worker, their family is entire country. And if you want extremely powerful men, they are just all the entire universe is my family. So it's depend to person to person. So I think so. You are wasting this type. You are wasting this food. It will definitely to use to someone. Rather than wasting, you can just try to pack and parcel to um, uh, parcel to a needed person. So it will definitely help you. But it is just a yes. Sorry. You
No,
can.
no, please. You complete first. I'm so sorry.
No. I have finished.
You're done. Okay. Do you think wedding industry itself, I mean, industry as a whole, has become too commercial now? I mean,
Yes, of course. They are the commercial in just a 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute.
yeah.
Uh, in my, I have just opened the gas burner, and the milk is heavily boiled.
It is spilling over.
Yeah, it is spring over, so that's why I took a break
Spilling
and
over. Spilling over.
spilling, spilling over.
Spilling over.
So,
Yeah.
so that's why I took a break and they immediately stopped.
That break was for a fraction of a second. Great.
Okay.
You're sitting close to the gas burner, Sudeepji.
Yes, of course.
So you are an efficient man, handling multiple tasks at one point of time.
No, I think so. In everybody have the multiple talent, but first they have to believe their machine, because in our machine the value is, if you are if you are calculating in rupees or dollar, it, maybe your calculator will be get fail. The our each and every organ has this. Uh, I can't. I didn't recall the word, but it is a unvaluable value.
So invaluable. Invaluable.
Invaluable,
Yeah.
invaluable value. So we are talking about the commercial. Okay. So I
We
just
are,
in my
we are talking about the commercial aspect of weddings. That was
yes,
my question. Yeah.
yes, of course. In my childhood, I just attended I have attended the lot of the wedding in my society. But today's culture, they are if someone is planned for marriage, they go and book the party plot and the book any hall, right? And they are giving the 1 lakh, 2 lakh, or whatever the charges.